This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta. I'm down here in the showroom of our brand new store in LaGrange, Georgia. And today we've got a 2026 Peterbilt 589 with the legendary package sitting on our showroom here. We've dialed this one up a little bit. Put the big fancy herd bumper on the front. Got the new Peterbilt LED headlights on it. We've replaced the amber lenses in the marker lights with clear lenses. Added some lights to the air cleaner. This truck also has the driver's side spotlight mounted up on the roof. It's riding around on 11R 24/5 tires on Peterbilt polished aluminum wheels. 4 roof mounted air horns. Dual side of cab exhaust. Under the hood is a 605 horsepower 2050 Tq Cummins X15. Got a 150-gallon fuel tank here on the passenger side. Factory frame mounted toolboxes. Frame has been painted red. 40,000-pound rear axles. Got diff locks. Air disc brakes all the way around. We've added the stainless mud flap hangers in the center light panel. Aluminum fifth wheel, 36-inch air slide. Another frame mounted toolbox. '80-inch sleeper. Platinum interior, leather air ride seats. It's got navigation with touchscreen. It's a Uniden CB radio. Pull-out workstation in the dash on the passenger side. It's a double bunk. Premium sound system with an amplifier and subwoofer. Flat screen TV mount. Plenty of storage. It's our refrigerator. More storage up there. Storage space down below. Our pull-out workstation. She's ready to go. Have yourself a working show truck. So if you can use this or one like it, give me a call, 706-372-4698.